Siddesh Bhagat, so he's a very close friend of mine. I thought for my best wishes to him, but he has taken the wisest decision. I had predicted in Delhi they would lose. I had said, I had told these fellows in Curtorim who were talking big that they will lose. Zilla election that they will lose. I told them. I kept quiet. I lied low and allowed a free ride for everybody. Now, I want him to take a good decision. We will always support him. It has to be a good, concise decision in the interest of Goa, in the interest of whichever constituency he wants to contest, or rather he wants his career. And not only that, I want him to be sincere, honest, and hardworking. My best wishes to him, and I wish him a bright future. I predicted the victory of the BJP in Delhi is because Aam Aadmi Party, Kejriwal and company, all these people, Kiran Bedi and all these people, the so-called crusaders of India, what they did for Sheila Dikshit happened back, repeated back. Karma played its role. When your foundation is not good, they have come up on the wrong foundation. And what is the foundation? India against corruption. What role they played after that, everybody knows. I am nobody to judge. I don't want to judge anybody. But I just want to tell the people that since your foundation is not good, don't preach others what to do. They are preaching other parties what to do. Again, I'm telling, I'm not here to tell which party is good or bad. I'm an independent candidate. I know why I went independent. How tough it was for me. I didn't have anybody to support me. I didn't have family history in politics. But we worked hard. And I want Siddesh also to work hard. It is not easy. Remember, what comes easy goes easy. So I wish Siddesh all the best.